Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel Rivera and I am a senior majoring in computer engineering at NC State University. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the projects I've worked on for my Intro to Embedded Systems class, as well as discuss my experiences with the university, the ECE department, and talk about some of my deciding factors for coming to NC State. So one of the fascinating aspects of computer engineering is learning about how hardware and software can be integrated and work with one another. In the Intro to Embedded Systems class, for example, you'll work with a lot of both hardware and software, as I'll explain in this video. As you can see in the video, I've programmed the toy car to detect and follow a black line around a circle. It's capable of doing this through both the hardware installed onto it and the code I've written to make it work. On the hardware side, there is an emitter detector circuit installed underneath the car. This circuit can detect ambient light as light coming through the emitter LED is reflected off the surface of the black line and is then captured by the phototransistors of the circuit. The amount of reflection varies as the surface that the car is moving over changes from white to the black line. So in my code, I've programmed the actions that the wheels should take according to what is being detected. If the left detector is reading white, I have the car moving right to correct itself, as well as moving left if the right detector is reading white. So this project is one of the many exciting things you'll get to work on if you decide to take Intro to Embedded Systems. You'll learn a lot in this class, and personally, I've come to enjoy learning about embedded systems through it. The same can be said about many of the other classes I've taken at NC State. Many of these classes provide students with a quality education. They have helped me to develop some real-world knowledge and useful skills needed to succeed in my future career, whether it be programming, building hardware, working in a team, and much more. While these classes can be very difficult at times, it makes being able to come up with your own solutions all the more rewarding. The sense of excitement that comes from figuring out how to solve difficult problems, especially in my ECE classes, is a very special feeling that I've come to enjoy. Also, professors are always there to help students learn and are more than willing to provide the tools you need to succeed. This school ultimately provides you with a quality education that will prepare you to work, which was one of my deciding factors to come to this university. Speaking of which, I've had a couple other deciding factors for choosing NC State. Among these were the affordability, choosing a school that wasn't too far from home, and the job opportunities I could acquire with an engineering degree from NC State. These factors were my reasons for attending the university, but the experiences I've had here have made me much more proud of my decision. When I first transferred to the university, it was hard for me to adapt to a new school with a much bigger campus, larger class sizes, and the feeling of not being prepared to succeed. Luckily, I got over these feelings after my first semester. Since then, I feel a sense of belonging here as I've come to enjoy learning more about my major, and I've met plenty of good friends and educators along the way. I've learned a lot more and spent better times here than when I'm studying with other members of the pack. Like my experience, I feel that NC State has something good in store for everyone that chooses to come to school here. As I approach graduation in the fall, I can say that my experiences here will not be soon forgotten. So, for any prospective students that are thinking of going to NC State, I would strongly encourage you to do so. This institution provides a valuable education, and you will cherish your time spent here for many years to come. That's all I've got for today, so thanks for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day.